Good morning friends, welcome to our channel Sharma Tech. So, today's topic is the best PC build in one lock in India in August 2021. So, here the first component, the processor. The AMD Ryzen 7 3700X is an absolute beast of a 3rd gen processor with an amazing 8 cores and 16 threads that allow futuristic levels of multiprocessing performance. The processor provides great levels of speed with a base clock frequency of 3.6 GHz and a maximum boost of 4.4 GHz. The processor is made with cutting-edge Zen core architecture to help smooth cruising and maintains the thermal design power to 65 watts. The Ryzen 7 3700X also comes with a massive cache of 36 MB that makes processing smooth and hassle-free. It functions on a new age DDR4 memory interface with 2 memory channels at the frequency of 3200 MHz. So, in number 2 the motherboard is here. The MSI B450 Tomahawk is a battle-ready gaming motherboard that is compatible with 1st, 2nd, and 3rd gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics, 2nd gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon graphics and Athlon with Radeon Vega graphics desktop processors for socket AM4. The MSI B450 Tomahawk supports DDR4 type memory, helping it reach higher frequencies up to 4133 OC MHz. So, here's the third component, the GPU is here. Asus Cerberus GeForce GTX 1050 TOC Edition 4GB with rigorous testing for enhanced reliability and performance. 1455 MHz boost clock in OC mode for outstanding performance and gaming experience. Extensively tested with the latest chart-topping game titles like League of Legends, Overwatch and PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. A strong backplate reinforces the circuit board and is a striking outward mark of Cerberus's role as a powerful guardian. Dual fan design provides 2x greater airflow. P5X certified fans are dust resistant for longer fan lifespan. Easy plug-and-play gaming with no extra power supply needed. I am using this graphics card because, as you know, the price of 2060 Ti is half of this budget as per 2021 pandemic situation. So, in number 4 we have RAM. Corsair Vengeance LPX comes with a perfectly adequate 16GB memory, and its classic black-gold combination and light build go well with any motherboard, blending in and complementing the rest of the setup. This RAM is kept from heating up with a spreader that is made of pure aluminum that dissipates heat instantaneously and is additionally protected with an 8-layer PCB to be on the safe side. The Vengeance LPX 16GB is specifically architectured to cater to all your high-performance overclocking needs. It comes with a cutting-edge software called the XMP 2.0, supports smooth and hassle-free overclocking. Vengeance LPX DDR4 modules are tested for compatibility along the range of DDR4 systems to ensure reliable, smooth, and fast performance. It is also optimized to function smoothly with DDR4 systems and offer higher frequencies, greater bandwidth, and lower power consumption. It is subtly and tastefully designed, making it easy to blend in with every PC build. Every IC is screened and looked into individually to ensure that peak performance potential is always reached. His RAM comes with the DDR4 form factor that is optimized for the latest DDR4 systems and offers higher frequencies, larger bandwidth, and reduced power consumption than DDR3 modules. So, in number 5 we have SSD. The WD Blue 250GB M.2 internal solid-state drive also boots up faster, and all of the high-end PCs usually prefer to have an SSD along with a hard drive since SSDs are known for being much faster and reliable. This can make worlds of difference when you are gaming online. With a vast digital storage of 250GB, write speeds up to 2800 MB/s, reading speed up to 3400 MB/s, and the ability to transfer data at the speed of 540 MB/s, this SSD is a speed demon that will help your PC run at breakneck speeds without any hassles. The hard drive functions on a serial ATA 300 compatibility, and the hardware interface used is compatible with SATA 6.0 GB/s. Its operating temperature ranges from 0 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, and the reliability until failure goes on until 1.75 million hours. So, in number 6 we have hard drive. The Western Digital hard drives are reputed for making reliable PC-centric hard drives. The WD-10 EasyEX comes with a decent 1 TB of space, which, along with the SSD mentioned above, should cater to all your storage needs. This drive brings ease and convenience to your backing up and restoration activities since you don't need to reinstall the OS to retrieve your data. It's time for number 7, the PSU. The Gigabyte GPB 700H 700 watts comes with a single plus 12 volts rail that provides the best power output, stability, and hardware compatibility. It makes installing the power cable a simple process. This PSU also has the best design for overclocking. The Gigabyte GPB 700H 700 watts is 80 plus bronze and gold certified, giving up to 80% plus efficiency along with less power waste, reduced heat, and fan noise. Here we go, the number 8, the cabinet. The Antec NX800 mid-tower cabinet is built to support one super-speed USB 3.0 port and two USB 2.0 ports along with one port for audio/mic. The Antec NX800 mid-tower cabinet has a great cooling system consisting of two 200mm ARGB LED fans in the front, one regular 120mm fan in the rear, and space for a liquid cooling radiator as big as 360mm in the front and another one as big as 280mm on the top. It supports a CPU cooler as big as 155mm, a PSU as big as 200mm, and a graphic processing unit as big as 350mm. With a tempered glass side panel, two ARGB LED fans, and the transparent glass on the front panel, this cabinet is a visual marvel. The Antec NX310 is compatible with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. So, at last we have Liquid Cooler. The Cooler Master Liquid ML120L is a futuristic cooler that will protect your PC setup from overheating during high-performance usage. You can work in peace thanks to the silent cooling fan technology, which is a brilliant combination of noise reduction technology and sound-absorbing rubber pads. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Sharma Tech and follow us on Instagram for more tech videos. Thank you.